Resimac is a UK-based company at the forefront of polymer coating technology. We manufacture a range of ceramic enhanced coatings and repair materials, which are ideally suited for repairs to components and equipment in a fluid flow environment. Our products help to protect against corrosion, erosion, and abrasive wear. Fluid erosion in pumping systems are familiar in many industries. Resimac ceramic enhanced repair and coating materials can rebuild and resurface damaged surfaces, and in many instances, they can upgrade the performance of the original component or process equipment. Even in highly aggressive environments, our coatings can perform well, giving protection against abrasive slurries containing iron ore, copper, or sand, for example, thus extending the working life of expensive assets and key process equipment and reducing costly downtime. Dissimilar metals in contact in a fluid flow environment give rise to a bimetallic corrosion. If left unprotected, structural loss can be measured in centimeters within months. Resimac contractors worldwide work with our customers, helping them to eradicate bimetallic corrosion problems. Tube sheets on heat exchangers are a common example of where bimetallic corrosions occur. Elevated temperatures and dissimilar metals in contact can lead to reduced efficiency or premature failure. Resimac ceramic enhanced and electrically insulated repair and coating materials can rebuild lost surface thickness and give long-lasting protection by eliminating further risk of bimetallic corrosion. High flow rates of liquids or slurries through pipework can dramatically reduce pipe wall thickness by a combination of erosion, corrosion, or abrasive wear. Throughout the world, engineers use Resimac coatings to prevent such problems to pipe internals and eradicate costly pipe failures. Mild steel structures and equipment in constant saltwater immersion need effective protection to extend their working life. Whether during the fabrication process or in situ, our materials can be applied quickly and efficiently to provide a highly effective barrier against corrosive attack. The formation and collapse of vacuoles in fast and turbulent flowing liquid can leave metallic surfaces severely pitted by the phenomenon known as cavitation. This can lead to premature failure and reduced efficiency of equipment such as pumps. Resimac offer coatings which can reduce the risk of turbulent flow and protect against cavitation, thus increasing fluid flow efficiency and extending the life of costly equipment. Acids, alkalis, solvents, and hydrocarbons are just some examples of industrial chemicals Resimac can help protect equipment against. By selecting an appropriate coating system from within the Resimac product range, engineers are able to protect their equipment with an impermeable and chemically resistant barrier.